Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario on your phone. First, ensure your device has a stable internet connection and sufficient storage space, typically around 200 megabytes for many games. You will need to visit your phone's App Store, either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, to begin your adventure. We will cover both official and unofficial methods to bring the Mushroom Kingdom to your fingertips. The most straightforward way to play Super Mario on your phone is through the official game, Super Mario Run. This title is available for both iOS and Android devices directly from their respective app stores. It's a fantastic auto runner where Mario constantly moves forward and you tap to jump. You can try the first few levels for free and then unlock the full game for a one-time purchase, usually around $10. After successfully connecting, your Portronics Glide stylus is ready for immediate use. You can now enjoy precise writing, detailed drawing, and smooth navigation across your iPad screen. Many models offer advanced features like palm rejection and tilt sensitivity, enhancing your creative experience. To charge your stylus, simply plug a Type-C cable into its designated port. A red light will appear during charging and will turn off once the battery is completely full, typically in about 1 hour. To truly elevate your Super Mario phone gaming, consider investing in a Bluetooth controller. Many popular console controllers, like those for PlayStation or Xbox, can easily pair with your smartphone, offering a more traditional and precise gaming feel. This can make a significant difference, especially for platformers requiring quick reflexes. Also, explore your phone's display settings and the game's options to customize controls and graphics for the best possible experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.